Okay, this is going to be my first how to repair your regular vehicle video. I looked online, someone had like a job on a 2020 F250. It looked like about a 3-day job changing light bulbs for the headlights. Said that you had to take the grill out of the truck and darn near disassemble the whole front end. I'm going to see if that's really true. As you can see, the driver's side headlights are working perfectly fine. And the passenger side upper headlight is not functioning anymore. So let's follow along here and see if it's a real battle to change a headlight bulb. I know it used to be a real easy job. Let's see how bad it really is. I'm going to try to do it without taking the grill off. Okay, now looking here in the back of that headlight, it looks pretty full. There's a lot of stuff here. But one of the suggestions in a comment was we could just pop the airbox off of it and get to it from there. So here we go. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Those are the airbox clips. Might even be able to leave that attached, so we're going to disassemble it from here. Removing one screwdriver connector. And I'm going to pause this so you don't have to watch me working with a screwdriver, because that seems kind of silly. Pulling the air cleaner up. I'm going to pull this rubber boot off, which looks like I have to rotate this around a little bit in order to get it freed from where it interfaces with the rubber. So bear with me while I do that. Here we are pulling that off of the rubber. Pull that up. Airbox comes up. And we do have a zip tie that should probably come out of there, but I'm betting I can rotate this up without killing anything. And there it is. That's out of the way. We'll pop the air filter out, which is probably due for replacement anyhow soon. And let's see what's involved in getting this airbox off of here. Okay, at first flush, looks like all we have to do is remove this one clip right here. And we pull this one up. I don't have that fancy tool, so I'm going to brutalize it with a screwdriver. It looks like if I pull that one clip out, I should be able to lift it and slide it up off of that bracket right down there, if you can see it. So once again, give me a minute. We're going to pull this thing up, and if the box comes off, things get real easy real quick. Okay, and for those who wonder, it's obviously very easy to pull this clip up with a screwdriver. There's one in your hand. You can see how it works. It just slides in and expands. You pull it back up, and it's out. I think that 2-cent clip is going to be perfectly okay to use again. Now we're going to work on lifting up the airbox. Okay, first item here. The upper portion of the box just snaps in once the bracket's out. A little bit of pulling, and up it comes with the seal. You can see it's got something here. Okay, some firm upward pressure, and it looks like you can pull that out. You can see there's like a little rubber dealio there down at the bottom that snaps into this bracket here. It's rounded, so some firm upward pressure, and you can pull this box up. Going to go over to the other side and see if something matches. In actuality, I could probably pull it up. There is another push bracket down at the bottom. You can see where that snaps in. But I'm able to reach my hand in through here by moving this to the side. And I am grabbing the headlight bulb in my hand right now. So I may not have to take anything off. Okay, decided to lift the entire box up. You can see there's another insert push-in piece that takes this whole bracket off. Now I've got the entire airbox out of the truck, and if you're going at it, we just probably spent 15 minutes on this at the outside. Okay, a fairly stiff counterclockwise turn, pull it out, one headlight bulb in hand. I think if you were just working at it yourself, this would have taken about maybe 15 minutes at the outside, maybe 20 if you stop for a beer. Okay, this is the burned out light bulb in hand. I have not removed the grill. We've got the new bulb over here. Going to take it out, clip it in, and just kind of time ourselves in terms of how long it takes us to get this done. New bulb snapped in. There we go. About a half a twist and it'll seal up. Make sure you only have one gasket in there holding it in place. But this is pretty basic stuff at this point for anyone who's ever changed a headlight before. And now we're going to put it back together just that quick. Okay, everything is snapped back together. I mean, I didn't video me putting the airbox back together because that seems awfully damn simplistic. But old bulb out, everything off, and headlight fixed. And I honestly don't think this took me very darn long. I will look at the time tag on this and find out exactly what it was. But I'm betting, including me stopping and grabbing the camera, this was a really quick job. All closed up, finished, on to the next job, and no grills were harmed in the making of this video. Thanks.